Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. And lately I realized that most of my content were just me talking and vlogging. And really this isn't what this channel is all about. So today I'm going to show you something I'm going to build to complement my spray boot. And finally I got the parts today and I can get going on this project and finally finish my spray boot. So without further ado, enjoy. Alright, so this went really well, except for those 2 holes that I marked wrongly. If you have guessed about what this thing is going to be used for, congratulations. For the others, if you haven't guessed, please stick around, because I'm planning to do a little tour of my home-built spray booth. And if you're new to this channel, please, if you enjoy what you see, please considering subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell for future releases, so you know when I will release a new video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And for the old subscribers and the new subscribers, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from it and enjoyed it. And until the next time, take care and goodbye.